Hello animal lovers and welcome back. Today's video is going to be all about crocodilians. The crocodilian ancestors existed 110 million years ago, measured up to 40 feet long and weighed up to 10 tons. The crocodile blood is very different from the other relatives because their blood is actually resistant to infections. There are three categories of crocodilians: the alligators, crocodiles, and the gharials. The difference between the alligators and crocodiles are their body form, characteristics, and lifestyles. The alligator skin is blackish gray. The gharials have the same type of colors as the alligators. The crocodiles, on the other hand, have a yellowish green and sometimes tan. Another way to recognize them is by their mouth shape and teeth. The crocodiles have a V-shaped snout, and their teeth are visible from top and bottom. The alligators have a U-shaped snout, and only their upper teeth are shown. Our first crocodilian is the speckled caiman. They live in small groups in ponds, rivers, and streams in areas Central and South America, and are also found in South Florida. They eat fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, mammals, and some types of insects, like beetles. They can be up to 3 meters in length. They can be light brown, olive brown, or light yellow in color. They can have cross bondings on their back and tail. They can also have speckled or rigid marks on the front of their head. They breed during August and September and can lay up to 28 eggs, which will hatch during late October and November. Our second crocodilian is the saltwater crocodile. They live in the coastal waters, lakes, rivers, and lagoons in the areas of South and Northeastern Asia, the Southwest Pacific, and northern of Australia. They eat things like fish, mammals, reptiles, birds, amphibians, and big insects. The bite of this species is very powerful. It's 4 times stronger than a lion's bite, even capable of biting through steel. They can measure up to 23 feet long, which makes them one of the biggest reptiles. They are tannish brown and breeds in times of November and March, and can lay up to 60 eggs. Our third and final crocodilian is the gharial. They live in the rivers of India and Nepal and eat things like frogs, insects, and fish. They can measure up to 20 feet in length and are dark gray and a long, thin snout. The males have a bigger knob on their nose and the females have a smaller one. Sadly, we do not know too much about this species because about 200 are left in the wild. Luckily, people are trying to help. Animal rangers are protecting the homelands of the gharials and other crocodilians. Zoologist workers are breeding them in captivity, and injured gharials are healing in sanctuaries. I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember to learn, love, and protect these amazing animals.